Listen, everyone's saying it. Make $10,000 a month with ChatGPT. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Sell prompts, flip stock images, automate everything. But here's the truth, no one's telling you. Yes, you can make money with AI, but 90% of what you're seeing online, it's noise, clickbait, and in some cases, complete nonsense. In this video, I'm going to break down what's real, what's overhyped, and what actually works, even if you're starting from scratch. The dream they're selling. Let's start with the illusion. Creators are showing screenshots of $20,000 payouts from faceless YouTube automation. People are selling $97 prompt packs like they're gold bars. Some are even reselling AI-generated art on Etsy until they get banned. So why does this stuff go viral? Because it sells hope, the idea that you can push a button and watch money fall from the sky. But here's the thing, hope isn't a business model, skills are. The real ways people are making money with AI. Now let's flip the script. Here are 5 real sustainable ways people are using AI to make money. No fluff, no Lambos. 1. Freelancers. Using AI to multiply output. Writers, marketers, even developers, they're using AI to double or triple their productivity. Copywriters use ChatGPT plus Grammarly plus Notion AI to write blog posts faster. Programmers use GitHub Copilot to debug and write functions in seconds. Social media managers create full campaigns with tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. They're not replacing themselves. They're becoming irreplaceable by using AI as their assistant, not their substitute. 2. Content creators. Supercharging with AI. The real creators? They use tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers, Pictory or Runway ML for editing ChatGPT for scripting. And then they add real storytelling, personal insights, and editing polish AI helps with scale. But the voice, that's still human, that's still you. 3. Selling prompts. If you actually know what you're doing. Yes, people are selling prompts on sites like PromptBase. But here's the thing, nobody says, you can't just copy-paste some ultimate mid-journey pack and get rich. The best-selling prompts solve real problems. Resume writing legal contracts, product descriptions, logo generation with specific brand guidelines. In other words, niche wins. Generic garbage, that gets buried. 4. Building AI-enhanced services. Instead of launching a new product, some people are offering done-for-you services powered by AI. Examples: resume writers using GPT to scale output and charge higher rates, virtual assistants using AI to manage inboxes or social posts, marketers creating client landing pages with AI plus no-code tools. It's not passive income, but it's scalable income. And in most cases, clients don't care how you got it done. They care that you got it done well and on time. 5. Learning and upskilling for career growth. This one's not sexy, but it's the most valuable long-term. People are investing in their AI literacy to level up in their jobs or switch industries entirely. They're using AI to learn faster, build portfolios, prepare for interviews, even create side projects or apps. It's not money today, but it's money for the rest of your life. Here's what doesn't work. Now let's talk about what's straight up garbage. Low quality AI content farms that YouTube buries in the algorithm. Etsy stores flooded with AI art that violates copyright, courses that promise AI riches but teach nothing real. People blindly copying Reddit threads and calling it a hustle. If something promises $10,000 a month with no experience, no skills, no time, it's not a business. It's bait. And the only person getting rich is the person selling you the dream. The only thing that works long term. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. AI won't make you rich. You make you rich. I just helps you do it faster. The most profitable AI skill right now? Knowing how and where to apply it. In your job, in your freelance work, in your content, in your side hustle. So, can you get rich with AI? Yes, but not by chasing trends. Yes, but not by skipping skills. Yes, but only if you treat AI as leverage, not a lottery ticket. The internet is full of noise, but now you know what actually works. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's your AI money-making strategy in 2025? I'll see you in the next one.